Hello everyone, my name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. In today's tutorial, we will be learning how we can add test cases and test suites in TestLodge. So as you all know that test cases are the integral part or the very basic unit in testing, and test cases are very important artifacts in testing documentation. So test cases are nothing but they are the step-by-step written for testing a particular functionality or a particular module. So test case comprises of different steps, the expected result, the actual result, and any prerequisites that it has. So in TestLodge, test cases can be grouped into sections, and it provides you the facility to import the test cases from the Google Docs as well, or the spreadsheets. That importing the test cases from Google Docs, that we will see in a later tutorial. Today we'll be seeing how we can manually add test cases and create test suites in TestLodge. Now, coming to test suites. So, test suites are nothing but a collection of test cases. So, only after creating the test suite, you can start adding the test case. So, that is a condition in TestLodge that a test suite is a prerequisite for creating a test case. If you don't have a test suite, you cannot create a test case in TestLodge. Okay, so let's see how we can add test cases and test suites in TestLodge. We will log in into the application and we will select the project. Okay, so this is our project details and statistics. So as you all can see that we don't have any test suites available here as of now. So let us try to create a test suite first. Go to this right hand side top plus button that is in green color, or a plus sign you can say. Okay, so see, it is saying new test suite. Click on this new test suite, and it is asking you for the name of the test suite that you want. Retail test suite 1, and attach your test suite with the particular test plan. So we have created this test plan, retail application test plan 1. We will attach it to that test plan, and then we will click on add test suite. Okay, so finally your test suite is added successfully or created successfully. These are all the details of your test suite. The name, what is the test plan that it is associated to, number of sections 1, number of test cases 0, last updated on and created on. Okay, so this is how we can add or create a test suite in TestLodge. Now let's see how we can add test cases to this particular test suite. Okay, so see, as of now we don't have any test cases. Now click on this green button, new test case, and the test cases page will open where you have to provide all the details pertaining to a test case. So let us add these details one by one. The very first one says add new or existing test case. So two options are available. If you want to add a new test case, you can add that, or if you want to select existing test case, you can select that particular option. So since we are adding a new test case, we will select as new. Click on the title, login page validation test case. Okay, so that is the title of the test case that you have given. Now this is the description that you want to give in your test case, like what this test case does and what validations it will be doing. Okay, next one we have the test steps. So here you can specify the test steps, how you will be testing that particular case. Say for example, I'll write some sample steps. Login to the application website, navigate um, to anything you can get, navigate to the home page, verify the Username, say for just for sample steps I have written. So these are the test steps. You can write any number of test steps. You can write along with the sample data that you want to test with, and here will come the expected result. So for each of the steps, what is the expected result? Like login to the application, login is successful, that will be expected. The navigation to the home page, so you are able to navigate to the home page successfully. Verifying the username, username is verified and matches with so and so requirements. So these are the expected result that you can give. Okay, so next one is the requirements. So this test case verifies which requirement. So that is very important. So there are always a set of requirements that is given to you on the basis of which you will be creating a test case. So this test case verifies which requirement you can select from here. I have two requirements available here, R1 and R2. So you can select the requirements as per your specifications. Okay, project specifications. If you want, you can add another requirement from here as well. They have given the facility to add a requirement from here for this particular case. Coming to next one, we have the attached files. If you want to attach any reference, any documents for this test case, you can go here, you can click on choose file and you can attach it. So you can attach multiple files. Like see, add another file. So option is available. You can add multiple files for this particular test case. Okay, so we have given all the values here. Now let us click on add test case. So see, your test case is added. The details are here, updated on, saved by, what are the requirements that it is covering, and test stats, like how many times this test cases has run. So suppose if we click on view, so see, it is telling you like the date available between what and what dates this test case. So it has not run actually as of now. We haven't run any. So all these things are zero. No run, passed, failed, skipped. Everything is zero. So this is a very good graphical representation that is given by test lodge. So you can go here, you can click on view, and you can see the test run stats for that particular test case. Okay. And this is the filter condition that you have. So it is giving you the data between 1st September and 31st October. If you want to edit it, you can go and edit it here. Whichever dates you want, as per your requirement. Click on apply and that's it. So this is how you can view the stats of that particular test case. And if you want to edit this test case, you can click on edit, or if you want to delete this test case, you can click on delete. So this is how we can add a test case into a test suite. Okay, so any number of test cases you can add by just clicking on this new test case every time you want to add a new test case. Now coming to next important point is test lodge gives you an opportunity to create different sections. Sections are nothing but you can say a group that is categorized as per different functionalities. For example, say home page functionality, after login functionality, uh, forum functionality. So different sections you can create and you can categorize your cases into those sections. So let us see how we can add a section. Click on add new section. Suppose uh, contact us section. So now see this, you have created a section as contact us section. Now in this section all the cases will be there that verifies the functionality for contact us page. Click on add section, this section will be added. Okay, so if you like this, you can add any number of sections and you can add different cases. Like again, you can expand and you can create a new test case that will fall into this contact us section. Okay, so see here it is coming as untitled because you have not given any name. Okay, so this is all about test cases, test suites, and adding sections. I hope it is clear to you all. If you have any doubts, you can contact me by putting out comments and I'll be happy to help you. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and if you like the video, do subscribe my channel and keep learning in life. Thank you. Bye bye.